looking for some sweet apps for free movies, TV shows, and maybe some live TV, add on some sports if you'd like to, check this out. And if you're looking to do this, head over to the search icon and type in downloader, DOWN. Once you've found it, get it, install it, and it'll look just like this icon here. Once you've done it, head over to the search icon on the far right, come down to My Fire TV. If you do not already have developer options listed, under About, click on it, and under Fire TV Stick, use your remote, click it about 7 to 10 times, and down on the bottom it says you are now a developer. Once that's on, back out one, go to Developer Options. Under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. Easy part's over, folks. Let's go back to the home screen and open up Downloader. Downloader lets you sideload applications onto your Amazon Fire Stick. Some people call it jailbreaking, which we don't really jailbreak a Fire Stick because we just did it. It was turn on one option. Under our URL search term or code, we're going to type in a code 753120. This code will send us directly to the download web page of the Led by the Unknown website. Once the site's loaded in Downloader, after that 5-second redirect, use your 3-line button on your remote, add page to your favorites, and save it. So under the downloads page, we got how-tos, best 5, best 25s, applications available for the Fire Stick. Scroll through, take a look, see what you like. Movies, TV shows, and live streaming applications. Some of these are, yes, available on the Fire Stick. Look up or look down. Let's try Xumo TV. Xumo TV has all 4 if you count sports. Under the Xumo webpage, head down to the bottom, and here's Xumo TV for Amazon or Android devices or Android mobile devices. So today we have a Fire Stick, so it is an Amazon device. It will ask us to install down at the bottom right. Once it's installed, don't launch it yet. Click Done in the bottom right there, because we will need to delete the APK file as we no longer need it to take up space on our device. So we can delete it. Now guys, you can go back, check out all the other applications, or hit the home button on your remote. Head over to the very far right, the 3 squares plus sign, your apps and games icon, and Xumo Play is available. So we can hit the 3-line button on our remote again, move it to the front, and now when you go back to the home screen, boom. And as you can tell, I've already moved like Downloader, IPVanish, and Xumo Play to the front using that 3-line button. You can order it however you would like. Let's open up Xumo Play. And here we have recommended, favorites, so live TV, free movies, TV shows, networks, and we can go like under live TV here, we can come down, and if you're looking for like sports, this list is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger as days go on. Enjoy, take care, peace, happy streaming.